Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And remember to give me a thumbs up after you finish watching my video, so it gives me more motivation to share with you more unboxing in the near future. Today I'm got a special unboxing to share with you guys, and okay, today I'm wearing this hoodie. This one is from Alexandra McQueen, and you can see there is an MCQ McQueen, yeah. And also today I'm wearing this is track pants by Supreme. Okay, today I'm quite excited to share with you. As you can see from the heading, today I'm sharing with you this unboxing. Because I want to frame this video as quickly as possible so that I can start wearing this new unboxing. Okay, without further ado, I shall start with the unboxing. Okay, yeah, this is the unboxing. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one I just received today. This is also another haul which I got from Farfetch. Yeah, this is directly imported from United States. Yeah. Okay, so we shall start with the unboxing right away. Okay, today I got this one unboxing, but there is 2 items in it. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, as I mentioned earlier before, Farfetch. Okay, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Farfetch. Yeah. Okay. So as I mentioned before, because Farfetch got a lot of different distributor. Yeah, and this one I got it is from Farfetch, and this being distributed by Stadium Goods. Yeah, so yes, okay, this one, let's start with the first unboxing. Okay, are you guys excited? Because this is actually I'm wearing today. This one is also from Supreme, which I remember, I think I got it from London. Yeah, this track pant I got it from London. And normally Supreme, if you're going to, let's say you're going to get into the shop, usually it will be long queue outside the boutique, and you have to wait for a while before you got the chance to get it. And usually I remember I went twice. The first time I went is London, and also the second time I went to Paris Premium, the Supreme boutique. It was like almost like okay, I would say inside it's quite difficult that you're able to get the item you like, especially the tee or those tee that is like with the logo. Most of the time you are unable to get in the boutique. Mostly they are being snapped. Yeah. So, and I saw this is from Farfetch. I saw it, okay, and I got it immediately. Okay, so let's start with today's unboxing. Okay, the first item is this tee from Supreme. Oh. Okay, this is the so-called the latest season new design. Yes, and this one is in red color. Yeah, and I got this one is in M size, and yeah, this one is on the front here. There is it's also called like it's a art piece. Yeah, so here written Supreme Fine Arts. So this one is like so called like a design, like very artistic design. This one, if I'm not wrong, is called something like I can't remember. It's something with the goose. Yeah. So this one I got it is in size M. Yeah. Then yeah, maybe I show you guys nearer. This one, the dish is very normal. It just come with the label here written Supreme also. Oh yes, okay. This one is called Leather and the Swarm Tea. Yeah, this design is Leather and the Swarm Tea. Okay, maybe I show you guys nearer so you guys can see. Yeah, and this is the tag Supreme. Yeah, and made in USA. And this is the tag from Supreme. Yes. Okay. So now let's move on to the second item. Okay, the second item I got is also from Supreme, as you can see from the heading. Okay, and this one I also got it in red. The reason why I got Supreme tea in red because to me is red color. To me is like so-called stem for Supreme. Just like when they cross with the LV, most of the item is in red color. LV cross with Supreme. So this is the second item I got. This one I got in different size. This one I got it in L because I want it to wear like a bit loose fit. So I shall show you the tee now. Okay. Can you all see it? Yeah, this one is written Supreme internal. Yeah, and written trademark here. This is also a red color tee. This is in L size. You can see. Yeah. Okay. So this is also same from USA. All these are made in USA and with a tag. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I shall show you all nearer. Yeah. This one, the logo is in silver and it written Supreme internal trademark, and this is the logo Supreme, the tag, and this one is the tag Supreme. Yep. Okay. Today, this is just a small unboxing haul share with you guys. Hope you guys like this video, and remember to click the subscribe button if you yet to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to click the notification bell so each time I upload a new video you will be notified. And remember, last but not least, remember to give me a thumbs up because this really give me more motivation to share with you more unboxing video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next video.